Christmas, the festival of cakes, carols, bells, hope, and kindness. The birth of Jesus Christ, Yeshu का जन्मदिन. And on this prosperous day, BSS Rhythm and the Bhopal School of Social Sciences family की ओर से आप सभी को विश करने के लिए I have someone special with me. Someone जिनकी वजह से रिदम का वजूद है और जो BSS की आन बान और शान है. I have with me, I am happy, I feel really happy to welcome him, the one and only Honorable Principal, Dr. Father John Vijay. Father, welcome to BSS Rhythm Podcast.
Thank you.
Father, my first question to you would be, what comes to your mind when you hear Christmas?
Siddharth, if I tell you frankly, I remember of my childhood days. And that's the time we really enjoy celebrating. And also celebrations make more meaning when we are children. As we grow in age, we have other priorities in life. So we forget to celebrate. So the old good days as a schoolboy that I used to prepare for Christmas remains very vivid in my mind even today. And I also would like to tell you, Siddharth, you forgot to mention one little message and most important message of Christmas. That is peace. Peace is one of the universal values that bring forward in Christmas. Like in Diwali, it is actually राम जी के लौटने का त्योहार है. लेकिन light जो है, light is universal.
Right.
Therefore, Diwali can be celebrated irrespective of caste and color and religion.
Absolutely.
Because light signifies and it has meaning in every religion.
Right.
That's how we light up, lamp when we begin with a kind of program or any auspicious occasion.
Right.
So it has its own, meaning. Same way, Christmas is also can be universal. Though it is the birth of Jesus, it is much more the message of peace. And that is the core essence and quintessence of Christmas for people around. Therefore, it's for all.
It's for all. It's an universal celebration. Definitely. Father, moving ahead, आपने बहुत सारे Christmas celebrations throughout the life देखे होंगे. What is the best memory of yours celebrating Christmas?
Well, this Christmas Mass celebration is at night. It ends up sometime in the midnight or early morning. And we as children used to keep awake to attend and to go to church for celebrating, Christmas and attend the Holy Mass. That is so very, so very alive even today now in my mind.
Wow.
But as we have grown in age, we don't now, kind of thrill. We don't get so much of thrill as it used to be in younger days. Yeah.
फादर, आपने पहले अपने स्कूल डेज की बात करी तो मैं चाहूँगा आपको थोड़ा बचपन में ले जाऊँ. फादर, नाउ if we talk about the present day, you're already a Santa for a good number of students and a good number of underprivileged children with the amazing social work that you have been doing. But as a kid, what were your beliefs, what were your expectations on the Christmas night with regard to Santa? कि Santa आएंगे and you'd be expecting some gifts.
See, I'm from a small little village. And there we don't have so much of, or didn't have so much of importance for Santa, but much more it was for, the crib.
Yeah.
Crib making was a big ceremony.
Okay.
And going around collecting things, decorative items and decorating the crib. Santa got into my life and also into Christmas only of late when I came down to the city.
Okay.
It kind of became a symbol for Christmas. But actually, Christmas is the birth of Jesus, and so crib is more important than Santa.
Right. And Father, suppose if you had to ask one thing from the Santa himself for all the students out there, what would be that one thing?
Peace. peace in oneself, peace with the people with whom we live, and peace in the entire world. What a wonderful thing it would be.
Indeed.
There's no place for hatred. There's no place for fight. There is no place for anything that is inhuman.
Absolutely. पता आपकी इस बात से मुझे याद आता है एक ऐसा मोमेंट जब आई थिंक इट वाज द क्रिसमस ऑफ 2019 एंड इट वाज अ प्रिविलेज टू हैव यू वंस अगेन फॉर द क्रिसमस मैसेज एंड जहाँ पे आपने कहा था वी शुड बिलीव इन गिविंग स्पेस टू पीपल द
Right.
फेस्टिवल
Right.
इज ऑल अबाउट गिविंग स्पेसेस टू पीपल who need it the most.
Very true. Very true.
And we all of us have been inspired by you ever since. So Father, जाने से पहले what would be your one message for all the viewers of BSS Rhythm Podcast?
Christmas is a feast of peace and joy. So I say it should bring good tidings of peace and joy to the entire humankind. Because we believe Jesus was born as Son of God, not only for a sect or a group of people, but people of goodwill across the world, across the religions, across caste, color, language, and all other, cultural differences. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Father. So yes, that was it from our side. Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching, who's connected with BSS Rhythm Podcast. This is Arjun and Anga Siddharjan signing off. Thank you so much.
I too wish you all a very, very happy Christmas and God's choicest blessings in your family.
Thank you so much, Father, for giving us the space in your lives and in your circle.
Thank you.
It will always mean a lot to us.